Hot chocolate hits the spot. I like almost everything about winter. I love the cold weather. I love the snow that falls to cover the ground and tree limbs, and I like to take any opportunity to go out and enjoy the unique time of year. There's nothing better than a long winter trip or a few hours outdoors to snowmoon with kids or friends. As much as I like to be outdoors, sometimes cold air reaches me and I just need a break. My favorite way to warm up after a cold afternoon is to enjoy a cup of hot chocolate. I'm not sure what this hot chocolate is all about. I think it's the best drink. Hot, creamy, milky, and full of lots of chocolate. What's so significant about a goat's head? I have friends who prefer a latte or a cup of tea. You will never see me betrayed by my favorite drink. Whether I'm at home, at work, or going to a local coffee shop with friends, this is the hot chocolate I will always choose. I wonder why I love hot chocolate, because it reminds me of my childhood. I have so many memories of mom that after a long day out playing, or sometimes, or, if I was lucky, after a normal winter school day for no reason, she gave me a cup of hot chocolate. After my mom blended the ingredients whatever they were perfectly, I had to add marshmallows on top. I liked this part. I can decorate my hot chocolate cup with as many small malls as I want. After experimenting with many amounts of mallow in my hot chocolate, I remember that I was finally deciding 13 is the best number to keep in my cup. Unlike most people, number 13 was a magic number for me, or at least it felt magical because these 13 marshmallows made my hot chocolate even better. As an adult, I have always loved hot chocolate. I like to come home from work all day and stay in the kitchen to make a nice cup. I have a special prescription that I have been using for some years now and it tastes good. Friends and family have asked me to share it, but I can't bring myself to do so. Maybe if they praised hot chocolate as much as I do, I'd let them know. Until then, I'll keep my recipe and enjoy inviting them to share a nice conversation on my now famous hot chocolate. I guess I'll let them put in their own marshmallows and try to find their own perfect.